How do I remove leading whitespace in Python? I have a text string that starts with a number of spaces, varying between 2 and 4. What is the simplest way to remove the leading whitespace? Remove everything before a certain character.
The strip method will remove leading white spaces, new line and tab characters on a string beginning. Edit. As Balfa pointed out in the comments, in order to remove only spaces from the beginning of the string, strip commas should be used. Related question. Trimming a string in Python.
The function strip will remove whitespace from the beginning and end of a string. Will set my _str to text.
If you want to cut the white spaces before and behind a word, but keep the middle ones, you could use
The question doesn't address multi-line strings, but here is how you would strip leading whitespace from a multi-line string using Python's standard library textstrap module. If we had a string like, if we print, we would get output like. And if we used textstrap.didn't,